Hey. Okay, wait. Look, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have probably one of the most exciting videos I've ever done. Today we're going to be talking all about the gender of our baby. We're going to be sharing if we're having a boy or a girl. As you'll see from the video, it was a complete surprise for the both of us. So it was really fun to find out this way and to have it recorded, and we shared then the video with our family. So we sent them like the little iPhone video that I'm also going to be sharing on my Instagram, and it's so much fun that we have that moment on camera and that we can look back on that and also be able to share it with you guys as well, which is super special to me. And of course, as a parent, all you want is a healthy baby, whether it's a boy or a girl, it doesn't really matter, but it's just so much fun when you actually find out, because you get to really like visualize and plan things and think about what they might look like and things you might do together. So it's just very exciting. So if you guys want to make your final guesses, go ahead and let's jump into the video. Okay, we've got 2 girls and two boys. So how we're gonna do this is I'm going to call one of my good friends, and she is actually going to, she's gonna read the results, the test results, and then she's gonna tell us which stickers to remove from these. 1 boy, 1 girl, and then we're going to hop over there. I'm gonna turn the recording on. I might even do that like during she's doing it, and then we're gonna find out. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm sweating, I'm shaking. I wanted to wear a pink dress just because I really like the dress, but then I thought, let's be like gender neutral in case it's a boy. So I'm wearing this leopard dress, which I love. And Mo's just getting ready. And yeah, we're so excited. We were supposed to get these results last week, so I feel like we've been waiting like extra long. So now that it's here, we are so excited. My friend, I'm gonna send her the email first with the test results, and then I'm gonna call her.
So basically we do it like this. So we're gonna have, wait, let me just put my phone. Okay, so Annie gets one boy, 1 girl.
Yeah.
And I get 1 boy, 1 girl.
Okay, but we
and
have
now,
to mix them. So we don't.
And now you tell me, we close our eyes? No.
Yeah, but I know this is a boy now,
Yeah,
so I
okay,
have to like mix it.
Okay, Nadine, you will tell me, Mo, you say Mo, the one in your right hand, remove the sticker.
Okay, no.
And the one on the left hand, remove the sticker, and now put the right hand away.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you for helping us with this. Like, it's seriously, it's so nice that you are part of this.
So excited.
I'm gonna get these. The one that you don't need, you're gonna put on the couch.
Okay,
You don't
I'm
look back.
gonna turn them around so I don't know which is which.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And give me one last guess. What are you guys guessing?
I guess, I mean, as my family does boys, my family does boys, that's actually what they do, since, I don't know, it's very difficult for us to get girls. So I hope it's gonna be a girl, but I'm also fine with a boy, but I think it's gonna be a boy.
You think it's gonna be a boy? Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with either, baby, whatever you are, I'm super happy. But I have a feeling it's a girl, but it could also be a boy. Sometimes I feel like it's a boy. And I would be happy with either one.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. So now, Mo, throw the one in your left hand.
This?
Yes. Throw that one behind you. Okay. Throw the one in your right hand behind you.
This one?
The right
Yes.
hand, give it to me. Here.
Okay, so we have to do it at the same time. I'm already crying. What if it doesn't open? Okay.
Come a little bit more to the right. Okay.
One will open, you've got 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it twisting left and right or right and left?
Baby, you twist it to the right.
So I twist it like this?
Yeah, to the right. Okay.
1,
2, 3. Okay, wait.
What the hell?
Okay, wait. Look, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. No way! Are you serious? Are you serious? Why was it so difficult, by the way? Oh my gosh. Are you serious, girl? Oh my gosh. Oh, I wanted a girl so badly.
Oh my god. Hey, little girl. Oh wow.
Oh my god, you know, I wanted so badly a girl. Can you not imagine? I was like, I want a girl. And it's finally a girl. Yeah! It's a girl!
And you said, I have a feeling it's a girl. I'm like,
Baby, feel my heart. Feel my heart. Thank you so much, Nadine, for helping us. I really appreciate it.
Look into the camera.
We're also filming.
And Nadine is on the road.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna call you back or write you in a minute. Baby.
It's a girl.
It's a girl. Oh my god. After all this time. Thank you. We have to show this.
Why didn't it work?
It didn't work. Oh my god, I'm still shaking. Look at that. Our baby girl. Our baby girl in here. It's a girl. Oh. Gosh, like how incredible is that? I mean, even if it was a boy, but the fact that it's a girl, and it was what I was thinking. As you guys could see, my friend asked me just before we did the poppers, like, what do you guys think it's gonna be? And my gut had always told me that it was a girl, but then sometimes I was thinking it was a boy. But I think because I had a feeling it was a girl all along, when I saw the pink, it was just such a surreal moment. And when you know the gender of the baby after so long, you know, of thinking what it could be, it just makes everything so much more real. And now when I look down at my belly and I talk to the baby, or when I talk to her, I know that it's a girl, and she's here with us right now. And since I found out, I've started doing a little bit of shopping for her, for clothes and baby girl clothes. I mean, they're just the cutest. Like, I want everything. I thought I would share a few of the things that I got for her because they're just so adorable. Okay, one of the first things I got is this little cotton dress. It's got these really cute little eyelet shoulders, and that's what it looks like. How cute is that? It's really nice and soft as well, which I think is really important, especially for newborn clothing. I actually just got a few of these more like fun pieces, but most of the things that I've gotten her are just like simple little onesies like this. These have the little mittens that you can put on top of the hands so they don't scratch themselves, and little built-in feet as well. And this has a zipper opening all the way down to the foot. It's even a double zipper, so you can open it either way for easy changes. And this is from Baby Mori. It's one of the brands that I found as I was doing my research, and the fabric is so super buttery soft. They are beautiful quality, so I've ordered lots of things from them. I also got her this ribbed onesie in this really pretty soft yellow color from Baby Mori as well. It's also got the built-in feet and the little mittens on the hands and the double zipper, and it's also so nice and soft. And then also this pink little ruffled two-piece. So this is the top, and then these are the bottoms, like little joggers. How cute, in this really pretty dusty pink. And I think I also got the matching bow to go with this as well. I actually got lots of different bows from different places, like on Amazon, and also like some of these shops that I'm sharing with you. Yeah, definitely in her first few months, I just want her to be really comfy and cozy. Like, I haven't gotten anything that is like jeans or denim, anything too tight, or that's gonna like squeeze her stomach or anything like that. I just want her to be really cozy cozy and comfy. This is another really cute little set from H&M Baby with these little rabbits on it. So cute. It's a 3-piece set, so it comes with the top, the bottoms, and then this little bow as well, which I thought was so cute. She will be a summer baby, so she's going to be born in the beginning of August. So I also got her these little simple bodies in case it's very warm, and these came in a pack of 3, and they're also from H&M Baby, and their organic cotton range is actually really nice and soft, like very good quality. So I think these might be really good for daytime when it's hot, and I probably will be wearing her a lot as well, so I don't want her to be too hot during the day because she's mostly going to be on my chest, in the carrier, in the wrap, so I think those will be really good for that. Then I also discovered a brand called Kite Baby. They're very similar to Baby Mori. They are incredibly soft as well. These also have the double zipper from the feet to the top, so you can change them either way, and also the little mittens that you can put over their hands, and built-in little footies as well, so you don't have to put extra socks on them, which they might just like kick off. And I also got the matching bow to go with the outfit too. So cute. I also got this little light green floral printed set from H&M Baby. So cute. This is the top, and then these are the bottoms, and it also came with this really cute little turban hat as well, which I thought was so pretty. I loved this set, and I have gotten lots of different sizes in everything as well because I know that they grow so quickly. I've even gotten things for like 6 to 8 months for later on. This is another really cute set from H&M as well, which comes with the body, the bottoms, and the little hat, also from their organic cotton range, which is so nice and soft. I also saw this dress, which I thought was really cute. I actually got this in 6 to 9 months because I think we're going to be going away when she's around that age on like our first little family vacation. So I got her this really cute floral printed dress that came with this little cardigan on top, and then these little underwear as well with these like frills on the butt. So cute and adorable. I just thought this dress was so gorgeous, and I loved the color of the cardigan and the floral print. And I have a few other things in this middle drawer right here, more onesies and pajamas and just really comfy and cozy clothes. Those are a few of the things that I've already gotten for our baby girl, and I am so excited to continue sharing this journey with you. And thank you guys so much for all the love and sweet messages and just all the positivity that you've sent my way since the announcement of our pregnancy. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I love sharing this part of my life with you and this super special journey that I've wanted to experience for so long. So each and every one of these videos is super special and super exciting for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. It's definitely one of the most exciting ones. I've been smiling like this whole way through. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.